Did you know that the sound of rain can actually make you feel happier? It's true. The rhythmic pitter-patter of raindrops triggers the release of serotonin, a chemical in your brain that boosts your mood. This phenomenon is known as pluviophile's delight, and it's why some people find rainy days so comforting. The sound of rain is also used in therapy to help people relax and reduce stress. So next time it rains, take a moment to listen and let the wandering rain lift your spirits. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.